How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode is really quick. It showed me doing the installation on the 7443 LEDs on the rear of the Honda Accord. So this vehicle, when you put LEDs, it's gonna throw a light on the dash. You guys already know. But I just did the Auxito 7443s on my RAV4 and I didn't see any lights on the dash. So that's good. I'm lucky on that one because I got the new resistors, get them on the mail today, and I'm gonna put the link for these ones, but I don't recommend you to use these ones because I ordered these on Amazon. They came from China. It took like a month to get here, but still I'm gonna put them on the description. If you wanna get them, you can get these same ones, but this one's gonna go on the Honda Accord. These ones, they have two resistors. This connect to the stack bulb, this one to the light. This one is big. I know I was not gonna be able to put them on the RAV4 because it's so many cables and we don't have room for the brake light to work. But in this case, on the Accord, we have a lot of room. So one is connected, like I said, stack bulb, LED. This one goes inside, but two resistors on each side. So it's kind of weird, but I'm gonna put it on the car right now on both sides, and let's see if like that is gonna eliminate the light on the dash. So this one is gonna go on the stack connector, this one on your LED bulb. Let me turn on the light to see if it works, and I want to see how much heat you can get from this. So you can see it's working. I'm gonna have it on for a little bit just to see how hot they get these resistors. Yeah, they get kind of hot. So you're gonna have to put them right there in some place where it's not gonna catch on fire with the trunk cover. So let me just put the bulb, and then I'm gonna see where I can put those resistors. Okay, installation went easy. That little connector works fine, so I don't see any problems with it. If you can see right there, this is the stack connector, and all the way on the bottom I put the resistors. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot down there. So that side is ready. Let me go ahead and put the other side. Okay, so I put the connector right here. This one I put it one way and the light went on, but not the brakes. So I just flip it around and then everything works. So you have to make sure that if it doesn't work one way, you have to disconnect it, turn it, and put it back on. It's gonna work. So that's it for the connections. Let it put it back on. I have enough room down there for the resistors. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot. And installation is ready. Now I'm not gonna show you how bright they are. Those are the last fit LED bulbs. It works pretty good. They're really bright. The main thing on this episode is turn on the car, press on the brakes, and see if the light on the dash came on. Okay guys, moment of truth. Yeah, you remember it's always showing a light right here for the brakes. I don't see it no more. So everything works really good. Okay guys, so there you have it. Pressing on the brakes and no lights on the dash. But for the RAV4, you see me on the last episode. I'm gonna put that episode right here so you can go and see it. I use Auxiro LEDs for the brake lights, 7443s, and light didn't came on the dash. It's nothing showing the you don't have the brake lights on. So it's a good thing. It doesn't show anything. In this one it shows, but we already removed that light. So guys, once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.